You have most likely come across the term generative AI and agentic AI quite often lately, whether at work, in conversation with colleagues or friends, or across various online platforms. It's natural to wonder what they actually mean and how they differ. Let's simplify and break it down. Generative AI focuses on creating new content such as text, images, audio, and videos based on their user inputs called prompts. For example, ChatGPT is a generative AI used for text coding and reasoning. Here are some of the popular generative AI tools. Generative AI is great at creating content, meaning it can write, summarize, explain, and generate code or images. But it is mostly reactive. By reactive, I mean it waits for prompts, gives responses, and stops there. But the real world problems need more than just one of answers. Some of the key limitations of Gen AI are it lacks ability to plan ahead, it cannot take independent actions, has no built-in long-term memory or goals, and it doesn't necessarily interact with external tools or systems autonomously. Agentic AI overcomes the shortcomings of generative AI. It is actually built on top of Gen AI and adds goal-driven behavior, not just prompt response, planning and reasoning across multiple steps, memory and context over time, tools uses such as APIs, database, and applications, and autonomous decision making. Agentic AI goes a step further from generating content to actually doing tasks for you. Think of it as an intelligent assistant that can plan, decide, and act autonomously to achieve a goal. It can perform multiple step reasoning, use tools and APIs, browse informations, and execute tasks. It often works in a loop observe, decide, act, and repeat until the objective is complete. For example, using tools like Cloud Code, you can provide instructions, and AI can build an applications and features or debug issues with minimal intervention. Here are some of the popular agentic AI tools. The key difference between Gen AI and agentic AI is Gen AI creates content whereas agentic AI takes action to achieve goals. But why there is a shift from Gen AI to agentic AI? It is because businesses don't want only content. They want outcomes. Let's say you need to plan a trip for a sales team. If you use Gen AI, the best you can get is travel itinerary. But agentic AI can plan the trip, book flights, reserve hotels, and update your calendar. It is not that generative AI is not powerful, it absolutely is. Agentic AI simply extends that power from thinking to doing.